Guys, we're back out on the muskie hunt. Just me and the boat today. It's a couple of days after me and my brother were out here. We had a big cold front come through, some pretty big storms last night. Water's murked up a little bit. It has dropped the water temp a few degrees. Right now the air temp's only in the 50s. My hope is that it's going to turn some of those falls into commits. Hopefully. It's either going to, I have a feeling it's either going to completely shut the fish off, or it's going to turn those falls into commits. Hopefully, especially with those cooler water temps. But we're going to find out shortly here, I guess. There's one. Oh, there was a muskie in there. He followed it. Fish, finally. Oh man, this is a good one too. That one anyway. Finally a committal fish. Come over here. Hey. I finally got a net of fish this year. All right. Look at that chunk. Hey. I just want to measure you, hon. I don't think you're that long. About 30 and a half. About 31. Hey. You're all right. Look at the girth on this thing though. Absolute chunk. guard up too. Big old teeth. Beautiful fish. Big old chunk. But, oh, and she's gone. Ooh, shit. Wish you'd come in a little harder, buddy. Man, wish I wanted to come in harder. There we go. This is a big one. Got him. Just barely though, this is a good fish. I got freaking lures stuck in my net. Nope. What a mess this is. Damn it. There we go. Oh, that's a big fish. Yeah, it's a big fish. Whew. All right. Whew. First things first, let's get you unhooked, buddy. All right, you're unhooked. Let's get you over here to the measuring board. Yeah, you're a good fish, for sure. Oh. Not a 40 incher, but a 38. Yeah, right there. Yeah, 38 inch fish. My new PB. Let him go. You're a really nice fish. That was a good fight. That was a lot of fun. Go get bigger. All right, you good? Hey guys, pretty good day out there in the water. I mean, of course it was. I caught my PB, a 38 incher there. I know you guys up north are laughing at that, but they just don't get quite as big down here in Missouri. The water temps just get too warm in the summer for them to really grow near the same size. I know their lifespan shorter too. But we got a nice fish. We had a lot of actions, a bunch of falls. There was a weird little bite window there for about 20-30 minutes where they seemed to be more aggressive than they had been the couple hours before, and the couple hours after is coming back to those lazy falls, pretty non-committal. It's a super shad wrap in the 14, the golden shiner, that did most of the damage again. But I think that's all I got for this one. I appreciate you guys watching. Good luck. Stay safe. Cheers.